The Iwini Trail starts at the end of the highway on the Big Island of Hawaii. We drive north and go right to the end of the road. When we get there, there's a parking lot for the viewpoint here overlooking the Pololu Valley and the Pololu Beach. We hike down the winding trail and we get to the area of the beach. We also explored up the valley a ways, but then you continue along on the Iwini Trail as it starts to climb up the ridges, and along the Iwini Trail as far as you want. We went as far as a lookout here overlooking the coastline of the Big Island of Hawaii.